Welcome to Information Service Engineering. This is lecture number 4, Linked Data Engineering, Part 2. We will give you now a short overview about the contents of the lecture. In the previous lecture, you have already heard about linked data and the web of data. We know how to address data there, it was via URIs. We know how to access the data via the Web Standard Protocol HTTP, or also how to express knowledge, how to represent knowledge based on the so-called Resource Description Framework RDF. And also we have seen how to build small models with the help of the RDF schema language. But also we have seen that RDF schema is a little bit limited if it comes to semantic expressivity.
That's why we are of a need of the web ontology language OL. This is another knowledge representation language which is again based to RDF, so nothing extremely different from what we have seen, but it is also based on the first order logics, and that means that gives us the expressivity that we need in order to add more semantics to our ontologies. And for that we are going to have two parts in this lecture. In the first one we are going to talk about the basics in OL, and then we are going to discuss about more advanced concepts.
But all this semantics would be futile if we would have no means to really access and query the data. For that, we have the Sparkle query language. Sparkle is a query language for RDF databases. It is based on a simple graph traversal algorithm, and it's pretty similar to probably the already known SQL query language for relational databases.
And then after that, this is the right time to see some of the most famous knowledge graphs that they are there and they are open in the web of data. So here in the last part of the lectures we are going to see see some details about DBpedia, which is an automatically extracted knowledge graph from Wikipedia, and then also we are going to see Wikidata, which is a collaboratively edited knowledge graph maintained by the Wikimedia Foundation.
So this is the content of the entire lecture. Now let's start with the linked data principles.